Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is something I'm cooking for myself, specifically for myself today. I want to have something spicy, something that will help me feel better. So I'm making a quick, delicious, spicy, garlicky chicken noodles. Yum! So I have got all the ingredients ready. I am now going to prep and cook, but before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get cooking. So, right, garlicky chicken needs garlic, and I'm going to start with lots of garlic. So this particular recipe only serves one. I'm going to cook for the family, don't worry, but this one is just going to be my bowl. So I'm using 4 garlic cloves. Don't be scared by that. I promise it's all going to be absolutely delicious, and you really do need tons of garlic to make it, to call it garlic chicken, isn't it? Right, just peel and thinly slice. So that's the garlic done. I'm going to move on with the chicken. So I have got here boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and for one portion, just for myself, I'm going to use 1 chicken thigh, and I'm just going to chop it into kind of really tiny pieces. I want it cooked really quickly, smaller than bite-sized pieces, like really tiny. If you prefer chicken breast, then you can use that, but I definitely prefer chicken thighs because it has got much more flavor than chicken breast. And before I heat a nice pan, I am gonna thinly slice 1 red onion. I'm adding all my favorite things in it. Also going to chop a whole red chili, just thinly slice it. Now it's time to cook. So just adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You could use peanut oil, olive oil, any oil of your choice. Going to start with actually the onions. I'm not going to cook anything for very long because everything is, I want it crunchy, and the chicken is chopped into small pieces, so it shouldn't take very long at all. Give it a minute. Once the minute is up, add the chilies, give it another minute. Next, the chopped garlic, just the garlic, give it another minute. Next goes in the chicken, and this should not take long at all. Maybe 5 to 6 minute tops. And while that is cooking, I'm going to very quickly chop up 2 to 3 spring onions. Just going to throw in the whites and the bottom of the spring onions in here, and the tops I've just sliced them thinly. You can kind of see that the chicken is almost done. Breaks open, cuts open easily. That is looking very good. I'm going to obviously continue to cook this while I add the sauces. So I have here a little bit. I have got here a teaspoon of oyster sauce, teaspoon of dark soy sauce, also a teaspoon of light soy sauce. You can add salt to taste. I'm just adding a nice good pinch. And one of the main things that I'm really craving at the moment is chili oil. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. God knows how hot I'm making this, but I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chili oil and just give it a good little mix. One last thing left. Teaspoon of, I'm just using cider vinegar. I would like to use white vinegar, but I haven't got the plain white vinegar at home right now. I've used it all up. Look at that base for our chicken. And I have got here some ready udon noodles. I've just soaked them in boiling water for literally 2 minutes. I'm going to drain these. Lovely, good mix. I cannot wait to dive in. That looks incredible. And now while cooking this, it smells incredible and the kitchen smells incredible, but I have got to make the most of the sunshine and come out and enjoy this here. It literally took me 10 minutes, not even 15, to prepare this beauty. Just look at that. That is calling my name. That is calling my name. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm really hoping that this, God, my mouth is watering, the chili garlic chicken noodles is going to wake me up, wake up all the senses, and I'm going to be singing after this. You could enjoy this at room temperature as well. It's going to still taste amazing if it's too hot for you, the sunshine. That would be ridiculous. Anyways. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love myself right now for making this for me. You're always so busy looking after others and just running around that sometimes you have to stop and do and make what you want to eat. Oh, this is heaven. I can't remember the last time I made just one bowl of something. Whoa. Oh, beautiful, so garlicky, spicy. I love it. Oh. I really hope you will give this a go. These have to be hands down the best chicken noodles I've made on the channel. So full of flavor. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you back with another recipe very soon. Wow. Seriously guys, you're heaven.